Ted is feeling sad. Every day he sees the other fire engines bravely go to a war against fire. Although he is a fire engine, he is terrified of fire. Ted tries telling himself, I will also be brave like them. But how? Then he remembers. Fred wears a helmet and is a brave airport fire truck. So that is it. If I wear a helmet, I can also become a brave fire engine. And so Ted wears a helmet. The speaker blares one morning announcing a fire. Fire! Fire at the Bob building construction site! Hurry! Ted rushes immediately to the site. Ted reached the spot in no time. He is too fast. He has to jam his brakes and skid to a stop. In no time, Ted puts out the fire. Everyone is safe. The firemen around are surprised. They have never seen Ted so brave. The mayor presents him a medal for his bravery. Ted is thrilled. Ted rushed to see his best friend Fred. Hi Fred, he cried. I won a medal for bravery. Can you believe it? I wore a helmet like you and I became a brave fire engine like you. Fred smiled and replied, Ted, I am brave, you're right. But that is not because of my helmet. It is because I know I am a brave fire engine. What? Cried Ted. You are a brave fire engine not because of the helmet? Exactly, said Fred. But this is the first time I fought a fire bravely. No one told me what to do. The helmet did help, said Ted. Well, Ted, said Fred, if you believe that you are brave, you will fight many more fires bravely. You don't need a helmet. Trust me. Are you sure? Asked Ted. I am absolutely sure, said Fred with a smile on his face.